this is a great little project to do to make presents, or you could do it if you're hosting your own art birthday party as well. You need a lollipop stick and some scraps of paper. I'm using quite hard paper, but you could just as easily use a plain paper, much thinner. So what you do is you get your pencil, and we're going to use our toilet roll to make our circle shape. So put the toilet roll down on the table and then trace around your paper, make your circle shape. Then cut this circle out, and we're going to make 4 of these circles, 4 different colors. So for my next one, I can just put it over the circle and then cut it out. So I'm going to do a few. So I'm always using scraps of paper up, just so that none of my paper gets wasted. I leave them, I have them in a bag, and then I save them, and then for a project like this, they're perfect. So I've got 3 there. I'm going to do another one. I'm going right across the edge so that I've still got all of that paper left then for another project. I'm just going to do one in white, so to show you how you can do different colouring on it as well. Now, so I have my 3 colours, and I'll just get rid of that paper scraps for the minute. Got our glue brush, and I'm going to use actually one of these scraps to make some eyes. I'm going to fold this over, and I'm going to draw an egg shape for the eye. So we're going to make a little wiggly worm eye. Cut this out, and the reason I folded it over is so that we'll be able to cut out 2 eyes. So we'll have 2 eyes there that we're going to stick down. So just put a little bit of glue on the back, stick it down on his face. And then I'm going to make a smaller eye to go in the middle. So I think we'll go for red for his little small eye. So this is a small circle shape. And again, just cut it out, folded it over. So you can also draw on this, but I'm just going to use paper. So it's very small, so when you're putting the glue on, be careful. And stick it down. My fingers are too big for this job. Stick it down there, and then put a little bit of glue on his other eyeball and stick that down. So there we have our eyes, and then you've got your, so now you're going to start, so we're going to start with, you start at the bottom, and we're going to put a little bit of glue onto the lollipop stick, stick it down, and then put a bit of glue. It's going to overlap, so you put a little bit of glue on the circle. It's going to stick, going to put a bit there, stick that down. You don't want to put glue all on the circle because it's going to be exposed on the back. Then I'm going to do the pink one, so put a bit of glue there, just a little bit where it's going to overlap. Stick that one down. And then our final one is going to go here for his head. So put glue on there. And decide which way you want the head to go. I'm going to go like that, I think. Now you can colour in these circles, so you could do a pattern on these circles if you want to. If you're going to do that, you do it before you stick them down. And there you have a wiggly worm bookmark.